Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a quick vegan dish that I'm going to show you guys how I made. So this is not part of the dish, but I'm just adding 2 boiled eggs to this vegan meal just to add more protein and to make it taste even better. So there you see all of the items from the package laid out, and I'm just going to show you the box, and it's from Chun's, and it's Korean style sweet chili noodle bowl, and it has the Hokkien noodles. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that properly. So it has a spicy taste, but it's between medium to hot, and it's a low saturated fatty food with 5 grams of total fat per serving, 0 grams cholesterol per serving. Do keep in mind that it is vegan and it's non-GMO verified. So this is the noodle bowl toppings, and I've already opened it and put it into the bowl because it goes at the bottom first, and it contains carrots, cabbage, pak choy, and sesame seeds. Hope I'm pronouncing those correctly, but it is a Korean style bowl, and I've already entered that before I put anything else because it goes at the bottom. And this is that spicy sauce, but keep in mind it's not hot, it's between medium to hot. And this is the noodles that's packaged and sealed, and this goes in right after you put in the toppings. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in. Make sure that you read the directions on the packaging just so that you make sure that you get it to taste how you want and how it should taste, especially if this is your first time. As you can see, I just placed a half cup of water there. I'm going to use some of that water and put it into the bowl after I place the noodles in. So if you're using a knife, please be careful with your fingers when you're opening it. And I'm going to pour all of the Hokkien noodles into the bowl. And then I'm going to take my time and just place it flat in the bowl. It will help your lid to close properly. And go ahead and read the microwave heating instructions that's on the package. Now that we have our noodle and the toppings in the bowl, we're going to go ahead and add some water. And remember, it's all up to your preference. They stated that you can add 1/4 cup of water, but this is the amount that I poured in. And when I noticed that it needed a little bit more, I just added until I put enough that I think would be of a good amount. Now we're going to go ahead and microwave this, but cover the lid loosely, and remember it's 90 seconds that you need to set the time for. And when it ends, you're going to go ahead and take it out, but please be careful and caution because the bowl will be hot. Normally use a kitchen cloth to take it out of the microwave, or I just be very careful when I'm handling it just so I don't get burned. So this is the holy grail, guys. This is the sauce packet. So this is what you're gonna add to the bowl after you've microwaved it. So you take the lid off and you put how much ever you need in the bowl. After you get your desired taste, you can stop, or you can go ahead and add everything like I did. And what I noticed is that I added some tomato ketchup, no specific serving amount. I just added until I got the taste that I wanted. So that's the next tip. If you want, you can add some tomato ketchup as well. So this sauce that came with the packet is the gochujang hot sauce, and I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, but as I stated, the hot level is between medium to hot, and I added all of the sauce packet to the bowl and I just mixed it around until I got the taste and everything was mixed properly. So yeah, and don't forget to add your 2 eggs that you boiled, and voila, this is the final dish, guys. I paired it with some wine, Moscato wine, but if you're on the age limit for drinking, you can serve it with some fruit drink or drink it with some water. So yeah, this is the dish, guys, and I absolutely love this. It's just full of flavor. It's so tasty. It is so tasty, guys, and I would not be telling you guys that it's tasty if it wasn't. It's just full of flavor. and I'm from the Caribbean, St. Vincent. I love stuff that's spicy. I love stuff that has, like, you know, a lot of flavor to it, a lot of kick to it. So I definitely love this, and I'm gonna give it a big thumbs up, and I will recommend it to you guys. I bet you can pick it up in your Walmart. That's where I got mine, or online, probably at Amazon. You can check around and see where you can get it. So yeah, this is the Chun's Korean style sweet chili noodle bowl, and I am so in love with it, guys, like, honestly. So yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching, and don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And there's also the notification bell. Go ahead and click that so you can stay notified of my future videos. And yeah, do tell a friend to tell a friend to come and subscribe and share this video, and they can even try the meal as well. It is vegan, as I stated, and I bet you're gonna love it. Thank you so much, guys, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.